Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Hello. I'm Complex Boy, also known as Jen, and this is my guide, just to tell you, or just to show you what you need in a camping kit. So, number one, everybody knows this. You need a sleeping bag. Now, this sleeping bag is good. It's got its case as well, and at the top, and I've got three of these. Well, I've got more. I've got about 10. But I'll show you one that's like. Here's one style. As you can see, it is very big. Let me just show you. This is how big it is. It's actually bigger than me. So yeah, it's very bigger than me. Wider. I'm not the thinnest of people. Yeah, it's very flexible. Yeah, it's got a lot of space in it. It's got like some Velcro here. And a zip that goes all the way down, so then you could use it for a blanket instead. So yeah. Secondly, what you'll need is, if you're going proper camping and you're doing like survival camping, which I like doing, which is awesome. You don't need a reel. I do go fishing. This is a really crap reel. That costs like £1. You can get it from the pound shop. It's really crap. I have a better one. I have better ones. But yeah, just as long as you have one. And then you'll need stuff like I'll leave that. You could fly scissors, which these are so good. I take them everywhere. Because they're half pliers and half scissors, and these are like 8 edge, so you can saw it, so you can saw stuff as well on one edge. Where is it? See that? It's got grooves. So then everybody needs a knife, right? This is my knife. It's just a carving knife, or people call it Stanley knife. And it's good because you can take it apart. Just take the blade out. So this is the blade that I use. It's good. So yeah, it's very strong. It's sturdy as well. I use it for pretty much everything, because it's my favourite knife out of all my knives. Yeah, so you've got a little clip, so you can clip it onto your trousers. And then we got this. This is made like look like a piece of crap metal that I just found, but it's not. Because I got this with my favourite knife, and it is a pair of pliers. Also, it has a flat-headed screwdriver, can opener, scissors, a filer that you can use for files, a saw, another can opener, I can't remember what it's called, but it's like another type of head thingy, and it's got a knife. And this knife is brilliant. This knife is really sharp, so I have to be careful. I haven't sharpened it. I haven't sharpened it from the first day I got it. but I can tell you, it's still sharp. It's still that good. So there it is. Pretty nice. I've been told that you can use the edge of this to sharpen it. So yeah. Oh, it works as well. So yeah. And last but not least, you'll need your what's it called? You need your medical kit, your fire sauce, and your fishing stuff. So just got some wipes in there. I've got a few plasters and those are aspirin tablets, and paracetamol, and a mini blade, 8 split shots with 4 size 14 hooks. So if you like this kit, please press the like button, and if you don't, press the down button. I don't care, whoever does what. And if you just leave a comment. So thank you.